So I'm in the car right now and I'm on the way to pick up something from somebody's house. I'm doing an activity with my church on Zoom, so I have to get the materials. Take one from each box. Let's see, red, green, or purple.
Well, red's more Valentine's Day, but you might like purple because it's cuter.
That's true. Okay.
Okay. What's in here?
Ooh.
Oh, sprinkles.
Silver is pretty. Maybe
Ooh, and there's
silver?
also more sprinkles
silver?
here. Nice. Good choices.
Peppermint. Yes.
Ooh. That's your choices.
Perfect. So I got these, peppermint, purple, and those. So you'll see me doing this activity later on Zoom, but for now, I'm gonna head home and get on with my day. Okay, so now I'm home and I'm actually really hungry and I hardly had anything for breakfast. So I'm gonna go get lunch and most likely I'm gonna be having salmon and I'm so excited. Why is that there? So, hold on, I meant to do that. Well, that was awkward. Hi, Hannah, how are you doing? Oh. Now I gotta get the salmon out of the fridge. I have my lemon juice and I'm gonna put some on the salmon. Lemon makes salmon fantastic. I think that my salmon is almost done. So now I'm heading to my room and I think I'm gonna do some coloring pages or just anything that has to do with art in general. And I might practice my guitar also. So right now this is what I'm working on and I'm gonna try to finish it today. I also have a pretty big pile of laundry back there, so I'm gonna have to clean that up too. But really quickly, I'm gonna do a little bit of this. So I made some more progress on the coloring sheet and I think I'm gonna go put my laundry away right now. Also, which you might already know, I got my spacers on yesterday and that's something you get before braces. And you can kind of see them, they're blue. And they surprisingly actually kind of still hurt, like when I bite down, so that's kind of annoying. Like even eating soft foods, it kind of hurts to chew. And then I'm gonna organize my hats because I've been meaning to do that and I have way too many that are too small and I just need to organize them. Okay, so I just got back inside from filming a scene with my brother. Well, actually like a whole video, but I was just in one of the scenes. It's gonna be a really good video. It's super cute, you guys are gonna love it. Hint, it has to do with lemonade. And I had to dress up like crazy. It was pretty fun. Anyways, I think I'm gonna practice guitar now. I really like my guitar because it's pink. Oh, I just realized that my family is going live on TikTok right now, so that's pretty cool. Maybe when I'm done, I'll go join them. And if you recognize the song, tell me in the comments. Now I'm gonna join everyone else down the hall because they're going live on TikTok. And then I'm probably gonna eat some dinner. Good.
Hello from Indonesia. That's cool. Wait, someone said David,
What grade are the twins in?
We're in 5th grade.
Yep. What time is it? I'm not sure.
So I just got back from doing the live. It was super fun and I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna go eat some dinner. So we were making meat here. It was going pretty good with all the seasonings. And then she got the liquid smoke out and added way too much. And it spilled everywhere.
I kind of dumped like half the bottle in.
Yeah. That's why it smells like barbecue in here now. So I hope it tastes good. And we just added too much parsley. Well, actually, she added too much parsley. We're,
I don't know what I'm doing. This will be interesting, okay?
We're great at this. Well, I guess we're also gonna have to have cheese sauce. We have our chips back there, but
gosh.
I don't know how we're gonna make the
I'll
cheese
probably
sauce.
burn something next.
Yeah,
Oh,
we're
well,
not
this
very
is an
good
experiment.
cooks. Yeah, it's an experiment. So, yeah. We're serving dinner up. Nice and warm. Oh my gosh. Am I the only one who eats nachos with a fork? Yikes, I almost forgot about my spacers and it's kind of hard to eat this. So I have everything out that I need for this activity and the Zoom meeting is about to start. Okay, so the Zoom meeting started. I have my iPad right there and I'm getting my bowls out so I can put these inside of them. They're the decorations. I have these peppermint thingies and silver sprinkles. So I'm gonna go ahead and empty them into my bowl. Perfect. You can't even see them. Okay, now we're going to open our candy melts bag, candy chocolates, whatever you want to call them. And we're going to pour them in a microwave safe bowl. So I have all my candy chocolates in the bowl and now we're going to put them in the microwave for 30 seconds. Oh, I think everything is done in the microwave, so let's go check on that.
And you're going to need to add, always just use the oil.
And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of oil to our mixture of chocolate.
Put it back in the microwave for 30 minutes hot. Your microwave is. Oh.
Now we're going to put the mixture back in the microwave for 30 more seconds. The microwave is done, so I'm going to go check it. Now we're just going to mix the chocolate. Ooh, it's looking very melty. Look. Looking good. Perfect, my chocolate is all melted. Now I'm just gonna mix it up. And now it's time to dip our pretzels. Now we're just gonna use our spoon and drizzle the chocolate over the pretzel. It's looking pretty good so far, I'm excited. And the next step is to lay your pretzel down on the wax paper. And now you're gonna keep drizzling all the chocolate over all of your pretzels until you're done, and then you'll put them on the wax paper. I'm working on my 3rd pretzel right now, and they're smelling and looking so good. Well, I guess the pretzel doesn't really smell, but the chocolate does, so that's what I mean. So just keep letting all the drip come off until it stops dripping, and then you set it on the wax paper, as I already said. But just make sure it completely stops dripping before you do. Okay, now we're going to add our sprinkles. So I have these peppermint sticks that are crushed up and like more regular sprinkles, and I'm just gonna sprinkle them over the pretzel sticks. So I've been putting all my sprinkles on, they're almost done, and Zach convinced me to dip an apple in the chocolate. So I'm gonna do that because I have a lot of extra chocolate and it's gonna be crazy, but here we go. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Ah, here we go. That's cool. I know. Okay, this is kind of getting messy, but as you can see, my apple is covered in chocolate.
How's it going?
Oh man, it's crazy.
Even your fail.
So I decided to cover my apple in different types of sprinkles. So sprinkles and tiny sprinkles that are silver. So yeah, rainbow sprinkles and tiny ones. But I think it looks cute and it's gonna taste pretty good. I decided to dip these pretzels now, so that's gonna be cool. I think I'm just gonna half dip them and put sprinkles on the ends. So the Zoom call has now ended and I think I'm going crazy because now I am doing apple slices in chocolate. I should probably not do any more, but yeah, that's what I'm doing now. It's pretty simple though, like all you do is grab the apple, drizzle it, or just dip it, and then it's done. You put it on the wax paper. It's really good. Definitely a thumbs up for that. That's like better than I thought it would be. Well, that was interesting. I started choking, but don't worry, I'm okay because I got water. I think the apple just like got stuck in my throat or something, so that was weird. Anyways, I kind of want to try one of the pretzels. I want to choke on a pretzel too. This one's cool though. It's almost like you can see how I drizzled it. That one looks cool. You want to try one? Sure. Let's both try a pretzel sometime. You want to? Okay, sure. Ready? Set, go. That's good. So now everyone else wants to try one, of course. I think I'm gonna have to say these ones for last. I'm just gonna set them again. Who wants to try apple?
I'll try apple.
Yeah? Here's, that's a big one. We have to try it at the same time though.
Okay.
Chris? I'll just, well, I already had an apple, so I'll just watch your reaction. Ready? Go. Whoa! Is it good? It is good. Like, I think it's so good. The chocolate is actually better than I thought it would be, so that's pretty cool. You want to try pretzel?
Yeah.
So, do you want to try an apple? Yeah? Do you like apples? Here, this one is double special. It's an apple, see? See the apple? Ready? Big bite, big bite. Oh, he just got the chocolate.
Is it good?
You like it?
Yeah.
It's chocolate. See the purple stuff? That's called chocolate. It's chocolate on the apple. Take a big bite. He took some tiny bites. Is it good?
Yeah.
He likes it. Aww. I'm going to try this peppermint pretzel chocolate dipstick. I think this one's going to be really good. I'm a little scared because it's hard to eat crunchy foods. Here I go. It's pretty good. I feel like the apple is a little bit better, but this one's still pretty good with like the peppermint on it. Wait, what does this word mean? Disparaging?
Disparage comes from the word despair. Pair means equal, so to despair means to make something unequal. So disparage is to like put someone down or talk negatively about someone or something.
So like, I don't like disparaging comments on my YouTube with that one.
That's exactly right.
So we're back from the walk now. It was super fun and it was actually kind of chilly outside. But now I'm gonna FaceTime my best friend. Hey, say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Well, anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed my video today and make sure to hit the thumbs up button and comment what other kind of videos you guys want me to do. And yeah, all that good stuff. And make sure you're subscribed if you're not yet, okay? Very important. Well, anyways, see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye, guys.